Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about lesson 2, that is unit 2, numbers. Okay. See the keywords here. Numbers, count, more or less, order. Okay. Let's see what is there in the lesson. One little kitten is sitting in the garden. Here in this picture, see here one cat is sitting in the garden. That is kitten sitting in the garden. Two pretty birds are flying over there. See the number. See the birds flying. Two, this one and this one. There are two birds flying over there, right? Three clever monkeys are jumping on the tree. See in this picture, how many monkeys are there? One, two, three. Fine. Four dotted deer are making them glad. One, two, three, four. These four are the deer, dotted deers. Okay. Five dark clouds are joining over the sky. See how many clouds there in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. Six pretty peacocks are dancing side by side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many peacocks are there? 6. Seven colored rainbow is bowing its head. See the rainbow? How many colors are there in the rainbow? Yes, you're right. There are 7. Next, eight-legged spider is knitting its web. 8. Oh, there is only one spider, yes, but how many legs it has? It has 8 legs. Fine. 9 cute rabbits are watching all these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9 rabbits, cute rabbits, are watching. Fine. Teacher should make the children to sing after her with action and to count the numbers from 1 to 9 spontaneously. Fine. This is lesson. This is the first part of lesson number 2. Fine. Matching 1 to 1. Okay. See in the picture. He is a vegetable vendor, and this guy is fruits vendor. Okay. This guy is giving everything in kgs. Okay. This guy also uh, giving everything in kilos, kgs only. Fine. Observe the above pictures and color the following. Connect the pairs. Mm-hmm. Oh, tick the box that has more watches. Let's count the watches, then we can figure out which one has more watches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you have 5 watches. 1, 2, 3. Here you have 3 watches. Which one has more watches? Yes, this one has more watches. Okay, let's what happened? Yeah, let's put a tick mark in this box. Fine. Tick the box that has less smileys. Yeah, here you have 3 smileys. Here 1, 2, 2 smileys. So this one has less smileys. So let's put a tick mark here. Fine. Count the objects and match with the number of dots. Fine. How many peak? No, it's not peacock. Okay, let's say how many parrots we have. We have 2 parrots. See, here you have 2 dots. Like this, you have to match. Fine. Here also there are 5 umbrellas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 5 dots are there. So here this is how you have to match. How many elephants are there? Yanai. How many elephants are there? Yes, one elephant. Here you got one dot. So like this you have to match, right? Let's put an arrow. We will begin from here. This must. No. Here, stay here, stay here. Like this, it has to go here. Fine. Fine. We got a problem with the color. Let's make the color to red. No. Red. Fine. That is not red. Now it's fine. It's okay. No. Oh. Some dark light. Okay, let's not worry much about the color. Okay. This one, how many fishes we have? 1 2 3 fishes. Where you have 3 dots, here you have 3 dots. 1 2 3. So draw an arrow again. Okay, here just it from here to here. 3 to 3. Yeah, here. Fine. How many baskets you have? 1 2 3 4 baskets. Remaining, this one is only remaining, right? Here you have 4 dots. Again, take a arrow. Arrow. Oh, where is arrow? Here it is. Fine. We have to start it from here, from the basket, and then end must be here. Fine. What is teacher's note here? Teachers should make the children to count the number of pictures and match the dots. That they are also doing, I am also doing. Okay, learn. Let us learn the numbers from 1 to 9 in different ways. Oh, how many buses you have here? One bus, fine. This is one bead and one finger. This is one. Then count and write. Oh, if it is 1, you have to write 1. If it is 2, you have to write 2. Then we have to write, na? Okay. One fish, so write 1. Change the color. Which color? Blue? No. This one, let's make blue. 1. This one also 1. Okay. How many tails? See, this one is puppy, dog, cute dog, right? How much cute it is? It is very cute. Okay, how many tails do animals have? One tail only. Most of the animals, all of the animals I know have one tail only. Fine. How many fishes? 2 fishes, 2 beaks, 2 fingers, 2. Oh, this is, you have to practice writing 2. Oh, here also you have to practice writing 1 like this. Okay, by joining the edges. Here also, by connecting the dots, you can start you can practice writing 2. Fine. That is what you have to do, not me. You have to do. Shade the stars that are numbered 2 and say the pattern in it. These, see, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 stars which have number 2, right? Here you have to paint. Okay, shade with any color you like, same color. List out the organs in your body that are 2 in number. That you can do, I think. Eyes we have 2, ears we have 2, right? Hands we have 2, legs we have 2 legs. Fine. No, it is not heart. We have only one heart. Fine. Next lesson number 3. Okay, how many umbrellas we have? Lesson number 3 means you will be having 3 umbrellas. Yeah, you're right. 1, 2, 3. 3 beads, right? 3 fingers. This is how you have to write 3. Now, start practicing it by connecting these dots. Place the figures that are seen 3 times. Circle the figures. Sorry. Okay. Now we have to make a circle. Fine. Which color is better for making circles? Is blue okay? No? Which one you want me to take? White circle? Is it visible if you make it white? Let's see. See, I can clearly figure this one out. We have 3 houses here, right? One. White is fine. Okay. We'll use white for this picture at least. 2. Third one is this. This is third one. And these 3 ducks. These are 3. Whatever they are, don't bother about much. Okay. Whichever you got 3, you need to make a circle. That is the intention. You're right. Completed. Fine. A few other names used to denote 3. Yeah, triple means also 3, thrice also 3. Okay. But this is not a language lesson where you need to use triple, where you need to use thrice. That you will get to know in the language lessons. Okay, forget about it. Now you got to know, right? Triple means also 3, thrice means also 3. Lesson number 4 means how many flowers you will be having? Yes, you will be having 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads, 4 fingers, and this is how you have to write 4. And there is one more way also to write 4. I will write it here with a different color. If I write it with white, you can't see, right? Okay, let me take this color. This is the other way to write 4. Okay, if you come across this 4 also, both are same. Okay, this is also 4. But for now, practice by connecting the dots. Okay, first practice this one. Circle the figures that are seen 4 times. There is only one, right? This one only. Circle. Fine. There are 4 directions. Yeah, everybody knows that. North, south, east, west. Okay, east, west, north, south. Lesson number 5. Number 5. Isn't it too much for a single lesson? Let's postpone this to next video. Fine. Thank you guys.